We've been working outside today, so all we want to do is something simple. So we're going to make a soup. We're making a Japanese clear soup. So we're going to start off in our saucepan here. We're going to put 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. And we're just going to let that heat up just for a few moments. This is really good. The smell of the sesame seed oil heating is amazing. Now I know there's a lot of different recipes. This is the recipe that we're using. Okay, so we're going to start off in our oil. We're going to put 1 onion, and we kind of left that in cubes, kind of large diced cubes. Because we're straining all these vegetables back out. We have 2 large carrots that we have peeled and we've cut into large chunks. And we took a 1-inch piece of ginger. We peeled it and we've cut it into slices. And we're just going to kind of cook this, caramelize it just for a few moments. When you look inside, the onions have just begun to cook a little bit. The ginger has just a little bit of brownness to it. To that now, I've taken 5 garlic cloves and I've smashed them. I'm going to throw those in there. I'm going to cook this for about 1 minute. After that 1 minute, we're going to add to that 8 cups of beef broth. And then we're going to simmer this for 1 hour. Alright, after 1 hour, we're going to take a strainer here. We're going to grab all of our veggies. We're going to save the veggies. We're going to eat those, but not for our soup. You can smell that ginger as you pull it out. All we're running is the broth. Okay, after we get all the vegetables out, there, turn it off. I'm going to grab my bowl and a ladle. I had to stop, I couldn't find my ladle. We're just going to take our broth. Stick that in a bowl. We'll do a couple of those. I'll do 2.5. We have chopped, or we have thinly sliced a few mushrooms. We're going to put a few mushrooms in there. A few green scallions. If you want, you can add just a little bit of soy sauce. There we go. We have a wonderful Japanese clear soup.